In this video, let me guide you on how you can remove card on TEMU. Hey everyone, it's Techman here. So let's start with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TEMU app and make sure you're already logged into your account. From this dashboard, click you on the bottom over here. Then on the top right corner, you will see the settings button. Click that. Then go to your payment methods. This page will show you all the payment methods you have added to your TEMU account. If you already set up your card, you should see it on this page. From here, you will see your linked card over here. You will see remove over here. Simply click on that. Then you will be taken on the confirmation page like this. Click on yes, delete this card. Then your card will be easily removed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.